Hi, it's Steve again here at the Life and Sad Ending channel. And the other day I posted a video with that Carver Cube. Well, I took that back because it didn't suit me just right. It didn't have a power switch, and I didn't like how the light meters work. They don't really have any effect. And I had to take that video down because of the copyrights for the music I played. I'm going to try again today with some music that's supposed to be copyright free. We'll see if it works. But we have a brand new amp that we switched out. It's not new, it's an old amp, but it's the Carver M500t. And for those who haven't seen my videos before, I'm going to go over my gear here real quick. I have the Klipsch Forte 2 speakers. I have the Marantz 2235B receiver, which I'm going to be using as a preamp with the Carver. I have the turntable, it's a technics 1500C, and I have the Blue Sound Node, and I have a nice Marantz CD player, single CD player. This is the new addition today. It's the Carver M500t, and let's just power it up here. I notice when I turn it on, you hear just a little bit of a transformer hum when that kicks in. The protection relay did kick in. And now we're ready to rock. And I've recorded some music here that hopefully will get past the YouTube copyrights. It's supposed to be, so you can actually hear what this sounds like. I'm just recording it on my iPhone here, so it's going to sound just the way it sounds here in the room. I know it's not a good representation, but you can see the meters dance and stuff. And we'll do that right now. Well, that's it for today. Think about liking the video and hitting that subscribe button. And remember, keep all wheels down.